Good morning, Chair Croft and co-chairs, vice chairs, Representative Wallen and Anderson. I'm Beth Brownhill. I'm a managing attorney at Disability Rights Oregon. And Disability Rights Oregon has significant concerns about the -2 amendment to House Bill 4088. We are, I do speak in opposition to the bill this morning. House Bill 488 makes it an enhanced crime to physically injure a hospital worker. Under the current law, it's already a crime to injure a hospital worker. It is a misdemeanor of assault in the 4th degree. This bill would make it assault in the 3rd degree, an enhanced crime, which would have a disparate impact on people with disabilities, and it would not meet the intended goal of making hospital workers safe, which I'm hearing is a question that the committee has. The enhanced crime would discriminate against people with disabilities in at least 3 ways. It would create an additional barrier for individuals with disabilities to access health care, who already face significant barriers, including communication failures, financial limitations, attitudinal, behavioral barriers, ableism, and scarce service provisions. Many people with disabilities don't access medical care until it's an emergency or a crisis. This can create a catch-22, and that lack of care culminates in the crisis, and being in a crisis complicates the much-needed care Caregivers for individuals with disabilities will be less likely and reticent to take people to the hospital if the care they might need would result, if there's a crisis and a felony might result. Secondly, enhancing a crime will be a disincentive for hospitals to train staff to support patients who are in crisis. Hospital workers should receive the appropriate training to respond to mental health crises, and resources should not be diverted from this effort. And thirdly, enhancing the crime will increase the criminalization of disability. Oregon must take steps to eliminate the criminalization of disability. This bill fails to offer the necessary protections for individuals whose behavior manifests in crisis and disability. Actions and protections must be in place to not continue to criminalize behavior embedded in disability. And then lastly, enhancing the crime will not make hospital workers safe. We don't, as testimony has shown, we don't have the data to support whether this will work. And it will not, we don't know that it will deter or or increase the safety of hospital workers. So lastly, in conclusion, we strongly endorse committing additional resources to make hospital workers safer on the job. Absolutely. There's a lot of good in this bill, but unfortunately, the bill does not achieve this objective and will only further discriminate against people with disabilities who are in crisis.
Thank you, Beth.
Thank you.